Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone hang up problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's start without wasting any time. Guys, not working this screen. And quickly release volume up down button and tap on power button and tap on power off and again on your iPhone and on your iPhone. So guys, enter your passcode. So guys, after doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.